Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K here with Pip Syndicate. I have an announcement to make, guys. I think you're gonna like it. But first of all, most of you guys don't know who I am. So my name is Bobby. Okay, I have a channel on YouTube called Pip Syndicate, where I trade a New York session every day live. Okay, and what happened with me is I was watching this guy. He goes after scammers, and he was saying, "How come these guys never show their P&L?" And I was like, this guy's right, man. So I went in my back office and I found the P&L, in the broker, and I made a video about it. I covered all of last year, right, from January to January. And my win rate was 96%. The name of the video is 96% win rate with proof. It's the most popular video on my channel. So go check it out, man. And it shows all this hundreds of trades that I take, okay? And after that, this year, I did it again. I went back there, I made another video, showed my whole back office. Of course, I logged in right on the camera, and it showed it's a live account. And I went from January to July 1st, 6 months, and I had a 98% win rate. Now, I knew I had a great win rate when I made that first video. I knew I had a great year for that whole year, but I didn't realize I had a 96% win rate. So I was pretty taken back with that, to tell you the truth, man. What I decided to do, guys, is I'm going to open a signals group, okay, a free signals group, okay, where I'm going to send out like 2 to 5 signals a day. Okay, now first of all, who's this for, guys? This is for anybody who's like wants to trade New York session. But let's say you have a 9 to 5 job and you can't trade New York, so you can get copy and paste signals right to your phone, and you can take the trades during the day while you're at work. Okay. How much do you need to start? Okay, with the broker, you're gonna have to deposit about $300 is like the bare minimum, I would say, just to be safe, guys. You don't want to, if we just for some crazy reason we lose a couple of trades in a row right when you start, I don't want you to blow the account, And also, why is it free? The reason why it's free is because we partnered with one of the most popular brokers, and they're basically paying your costs to be in the group. As long as you're trading with them, guys, you're in the group for free. So that's the deal, guys. Now, what are we going to be trading? We're going to be focusing on gold mainly. Okay, of course, there will be an odd NAS and US 30 trade thrown in. I like to trade NAS and US 30, as you see on my channel. But I'm going to focus on gold for this group. Okay, because I have a different way I trade gold than I trade most other pairs. Gold moves a little different. So yeah, that's the deal, guys. Also, for those of you who are interested, okay, remember this is totally free now, guys. Okay, there's no cost. There's no cost to join the broker. Nothing. You just got to fund the broker in order to trade. Okay, and also, guys, if you pay attention to the second and third email after you opt in below, make sure you opt in below to get the information, guys. It doesn't cost anything. There's also an affiliate offer for this that if you want to make a little extra money on the side, also, you have that option too. Okay, guys. So with that, man, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys, man. Joining the group. Come join with me every day, 9 a.m. 98% win rate, guys. Come and join me on YouTube. I got a small channel, but the proof is there and it's live every day. So, the camera don't lie. All right, guys. So anyway, I'll see you on the inside, guys. I appreciate you, man. Have a great day on purpose. God bless you. And I'll see you guys in the new group. Cheers, guys.